Okay, so let's do subnetting. So we got a pool from where appnik. Okay, so let's create a data center today. So data center is what? When we have a lot of servers and we want that people can access these servers from outside world. One single public IP is enough to access internet. Just imagine, like, if you are still a student in a university of almost 10,000 students. So tell me how many IPs they need to access the internet. They can still access the internet with one IP. How? Because these 10,000 computers will get private IPs, and all these private IPs are going to convert into one single IP, and with the help of a concept that is known as NAT, network address translation. Okay, but when we are saying we have pool of 256 IPs from appnik, what exactly it means? I am talking about a company where they have a lot of servers, and from internet people or anyone can access these servers, or maybe they are uploading the videos or maybe images. Because in one like, just take an example, when anybody uploads the images in Facebook, so tell me, all images are going in one server, or they have a data center with a lot of many servers? Lot of servers, right? So they will have a lot of servers. So they need a lot public IPs, or they can use one single IP. See, accessing internet, you can access the internet with one IP also. But if anybody wants to enter into your premises, or they want to access your servers, then you need public pools. Okay, got it? Let's take example 200.1.1.0, and this is a class C, so we always say /24. What is this 24? This is known as slash value, you can say that. In A class we have how many network part? 1. So this is known as /8 because it represents 8 network bits. In B we have 2n, so this is the reason we say this 16. And in C we have 3 network part, and this 888 is 24. So this is the reason I have written here 24. Now I want to divide this network into 4 parts for my Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata location. So how I'm going to divide this network? So it's very simple. So your IP address is of how many bits? 32 bits, right? So what I'm going to write here, I have network bits and I have host bits. So I have total 24 network bits and host bits 8, right? So by default, how many IPs we are getting? 2 to the power of 8 is 256 IPs I am getting right now. Is how I have calculated my total IP address is of 32 bit. If class C is 24, the remaining 8, 24 plus 8 is 32, right? So the 2 to the power of 8 is 256. So it means I am getting 256 address from this pool. But what exactly we want to divide this network into 4 locations? So tell me how we get 4 when we have 2 to the power of 2, right?